and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Are you aware of the single glaring problem holding back local businesses in today's digital world? And imagine, you could be the superhero fixing it, earning up to $500 for just an hour's work. Hi, I'm Prady, and I'm thrilled to introduce VidCraft AI, a cutting-edge tool revolutionizing video marketing with the power of AI. Here's the real deal. Local businesses are struggling with outdated video marketing, missing out on engaging their customers effectively. But there's more. Local consultants are overlooking the enormous potential of the $15.5 billion interactive video market. Here lies your golden opportunity. Traditional videos no longer captivate audiences. They lack what today's savvy customers want: interaction and personalization. And it's not just about losing views, it's about losing real potential customers. Enter VidCraft AI, your ace to transform any local business's video strategy from zero to hero, practically overnight, using the power of artificial intelligence. VidCraft AI doesn't just create videos, it crafts engaging, interactive experiences. With AI-driven personalization, imagine transforming every view into a potential engagement and conversion opportunity. You get clickable elements, polls, personalized content, and much more. Think it's complex? It's not with VidCraft AI's 4-step process. Discover your audience. Quickly identify local businesses seeking video content enhancements. This tool is your gateway to delivering powerful interactive video solutions. Select or import. Our platform easily turns any video into an engaging, interactive experience, ensuring it captures and holds your audience's attention. Customize and personalize at scale. VidCraft AI enables scalable customization and personalization of videos with interactive elements like reviews, countdowns, and shopping carts for unique audience engagement and much more. Embed effortlessly. Use VidCraft AI for swift embedding of interactive videos on various platforms, expanding reach and dramatically boosting viewer engagement. Creating interactive videos is now as easy as a few clicks, no technical skills required. The future of video marketing lies in 2 powerful concepts: personalization and interaction, especially when applied at scale with AI. VidCraft AI lets businesses tailor their message for each viewer, increasing relevance and connection. Whether it's a personalized email, a video that addresses viewers by name, or tailored call-to-action elements, AI makes it all possible and efficient. Imagine a local restaurant previously struggling to engage customers. Now, with VidCraft AI, they have videos featuring clickable menus and promotions, drastically boosting customer engagement overnight. Consider a fitness center. They now use VidCraft AI to create videos where viewers can book classes or personal training sessions directly. Engagement and signups have soared, and there's more. With VidCraft AI, you access an extensive library to create your own videos in just a few clicks. From text overlays and buy buttons to integrations with payment systems like PayPal and Stripe, countdown timers, and even tools for booking appointments or showcasing reviews, it's all there, powered by AI. Forget about costly tools. VidCraft AI offers its advanced AI-powered capabilities at a fraction of the price. It's not just a service, it's an irresistible offer for any local business. What are you waiting for? Become the digital hero transforming local businesses with VidCraft AI. Click the button now. Start earning up to $500 per hour and make your mark in the interactive video marketing world. Your moment is now. Seize it with VidCraft AI. Thank you for watching. Join us in the success stories with VidCraft AI. Click now and let's revolutionize video marketing together.
Hi, in this video, we are going to show you the magic of VidCraft AI and how it changes the game in local video marketing. You will see how easy it is to turn regular videos into something really special that grabs people's attention. Imagine you can transform a restaurant's simple promotional video into an interactive dining experience showcasing the restaurant's best dishes right in the video. Imagine viewers being able to book a table or order featured dishes directly from the video. Similarly, for a dentist's promotional video, patients could schedule their appointments without ever leaving the video, or dentists could send personalized offers to them. This interactive approach is not just limited to services, it's also ideal for seamlessly integrating and promoting e-commerce or affiliate products within any video, enhancing the viewer's experience and boosting your marketing effectiveness. VidCraft AI does just that. It turns ordinary video into marketing powerhouse, and with just a few clicks, you can add top reviews, menus, appointment booking widgets, and much more. Now let's go and have a deep dive into how this app works. So right now I'm in the dashboard of VidCraft AI, and to start you have to click here on create campaign. So let's create a campaign, and you have got two options. Either you can pick a video from our video template gallery, or else you can import your own video. Here let's pick a template from our video gallery. We have got several templates in various niches that you can use. Let's start by selecting landscaping. So we will select this template and now click on save and next. Here you can edit each and every scene of the video as you want. You can customize text, you can customize background, so there is no limitation at all. So let's go ahead and edit this text. So to edit the text, you can click here and you have several options. You can change the font color, font size, you can change the text here as well. And if you want to change this text, you can use our AI rewrite engine, and this will help you in rewriting the text in a better way. So here you can see we have got this one version. If you want, you can choose another version as well. So you can pick whatever you want, whatever you like. Okay, and let's select this one. Add it here, change the color, and you can change font as well. And this is how you can customize your slide. Likewise, you can change background here as well. You simply have to go here, select from the media that you have uploaded. You can upload the image that you want. You can also search from our library, and you can upload image and change the background. All right. Likewise, you can edit each and every scene that we have over here. We have got intro that can be customized and personalized. I will show you later how to do that. And we have got outro as well. You can change it later on. If you want to add new slide or scene over here, simply you have to click here and you can choose whatever like from the wide variety of scenes. And say if you want to add one more like this, you can click here, click on insert, and you can see this scene has got added. Likewise, you can keep on adding scenes and you can keep on editing till you like it. Once that is ready, let's go ahead and see how we can do the customization and personalization part. Here we have provided many audios. You can select audio files from here for your video, or else you can upload your own. And once you are done with it, after selecting the audio, you can simply go ahead, save and render the video. Now it takes some time, but this is step number 2. You have customized the slides, the scenes, the text as you want. Now it's time for us to personalize it and adding some interactive magic. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So this will take some time. We will go to dashboard and see how it works once the rendering is done. So now this video is being rendered over here, but I will show you how you can make videos personalized and interactive using this example. So let's go ahead, and here you have got several options. So let's go ahead and add personalization thing. Here is where entire magic happens. On the left hand side, we have got several options that you can add to your customized video. You can add a call to action, CTA, you can add CTA link, your custom CTA link, you can add link card, you can add free software download. So we have got several options over here. Apart from that, you can add polls and quizzes, you can add lead forms. In that we have got 3 different options. You can add overlay templates, then you can add reviews as well, and we have options for reservation appointment, where you can embed reservation table, where you can embed book reservation, where you can embed reservation widget. You can embed any script over there. Then you can add QR code if you want, and we have got timers with button for scarcity driven campaigns, and you can add restaurant menus and other things as well. So let's have a look at some of the important things and how they look on the video. So say if you want to add CTA link, this is how it will look. Link card, then you can add download button from here. You can add quizzes, buy buttons like this. You can add polls. You can also add content locker lead forms. You can also add overlay templates, and we have several options over here. You can use name animation, you can use text animation, and each and every section, each and every option is amazing, and it helps you in improving the interactivity and personalization. Similarly, you can add lower thirds, and most importantly, you can add reviews. So for example, if you want to add review for a restaurant, just click here. You have got 2 options, Google and Yelp. Let's add reviews. Let's say we are working for this restaurant. We have added these reviews. Click on use, and this is how it will look on the video. You can also add table reservation. You can also integrate appointment widget as well. Apart from that, you can integrate QR code that can be scanned, the timer button for either coming soon or countdown for scarcity based deals. Now, once that is done, you can simply copy the link of the video and send it to masses. If someone wants to order from this, personalization is also show you how it looks and how it works. So you have got several for personalization to customize. What you can do, you can simply copy and make this code into your email, or else you can simply take this link and paste into your email, and you can send these videos on mass scale with the personalization. Okay, so let's have a look at the email. Here you can rewrite and preview your emails as well. You have got several options. You can write thank you email, Christmas greeting, Thanksgiving, New Year, close deal, discount offer, whatever. You have got several pre-written emails. You can choose that. Here you can see, and these emails are personalized. Okay, and you can send test email from here or send right directly from the dashboard of the system. The best part is that if you are sending this email or this video to 1,000 customers at a time, automatically they will see their name on the video. So those videos would be personalized video, and you can use several autoresponders for that. You can use ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Drip, Entreport, and several other. And plus you can add HTML code of any responder that you want, and you can simply use it for personalization purpose. Also, if you want to check how this page looks like, you can check it out from here. You can edit the page as you want, and your video will be embedded over here. You can put call to action, and you can add description and tags if you want to upload this on YouTube or on social media. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is how this entire software works. It's very simple, easy to use, and the most important thing is that it turns any video, any regular video, into a marketing powerhouse in just a few clicks. So that's what VidCraft AI is for you. Thank you.